MCSnet My Account is a valuable tool to track your internet usage, upgrade your package, add payment information, and access your previous invoices. You can download the MCSnet My Account app by visiting your device's App Store. If you are a new customer, we will send you a welcome email and explain how to access your My Account and reset the temporary password. Once you've changed your password, use your email and password to log into the MCSnet app. There are 3 steps we ask you to complete prior to scheduling your installation. Number 1. Identification. We need one picture of a utility bill or other proof of residence with your legal name and the address of the new installation. Files should be in JPEG format. Number 2. Payment method. Click on the valid forms of payment and select the one that applies to you. Number 3. Contract. Scroll to the bottom of the page until you see the option to click to sign, as well as the term options. After you complete these 3 steps, we will call you to schedule your installation. Once you are installed, stay logged in to your MCSnet My Account app so that you are just a tap away.